Kyle Mounts here with an update on your forecast. We're wrapping up a beautiful weekend of weather here in central Indiana, but things are going to be changing here overnight and as we go into our Monday. Look at these rain chances, especially the first half of our Monday. Looks like that rain's going to be fairly widespread before it begins to taper off a bit Monday evening. So here's a check of TrueCast, and those rain chances will be scattered after midnight tonight. That means not all of us going to be seeing the rain at that point. We go into your Monday morning, some pockets of rain and a few rumbles of thunder. We're not anticipating severe weather, though, as we go throughout the day on Monday. Just some of those garden variety type thunderstorms that could produce some locally heavy rainfall. Middle of the day, if you're going to be heading out for lunch, you're going to need that rain gear there, as it looks like we'll see widespread rain across central Indiana. Going to 5 o'clock in the afternoon, still some showers and storms that could impact your evening drive before we start to see things break apart a little bit by Monday evening. As far as the rainfall potential, widespread about an inch is what we're expecting in rainfall, but certainly could see some areas pick up between 1 and 2 inches of rain if you get under a thunderstorm or two. That's all going to keep our temperatures on the cooler side Monday afternoon. We're looking at highs that are about 10 degrees below average for this time of year, with a high of 74 in Indy and Columbus. 7-day planning forecast for you. We'll have a few more scattered showers and storms on Tuesday, a high of 80 there, then drying it out for the rest of the week before we get into some small rain chances early next weekend.